Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanessa of Sylva Creations, and in this video we are doing the drawing for the winner of this Christmas journal. We actually had 20 entries this time, which is pretty exciting. I think it doubled last time, so that's really cool. I'm very excited about that. So yeah, today we're going to do the drawing, and I'm going to pick the winner, and then I'm going to go ahead and give you my email address, and I want you to send me an email. That way I can get your address so I can send it to you. Okay. Oh, also, I wanted to tell you guys that I plan on doing some more of these. Whoa, sorry. I plan on doing some more of these giveaways because it's just fun. And I'm really thankful for all of you guys who have decided to subscribe and watch my videos, because it's really cool. This is more than I ever thought that I would do. Like I think I'm at 388 subscribers right now, which is amazing. And so yeah, I just want to do more giveaways to kind of show my appreciation and stuff like that. And I have so many journals that I've been making, so it'll be cool to do more giveaways for you guys. So okay, so I did add a few little things. I made this this really cute like postcard. I used one of the stamps that I got out of my Taperlogy box. If you guys didn't see that, I'll go ahead and link it below in case you want to check it out. And then I put it on the I've already had the postcard stamp, but those are new and I really love them. I think they're so pretty. And yeah, this is just like a cute little postcard that I included, and then I made another little thing. Some extra little goodies. Is pretty exciting. Okay, so I wrote everyone's names down and I put in this cute little Christmas tin. So I got 20 names in here. So what I'm going to do is just kind of shake it up, and I'm going to go ahead and reach in and see who we got. So we got, oh, Chasing Retro. So, all right, you're the winner of this journal. Pretty exciting. So, like I said, if you can just email me and let me know where to send the journal, and we can do that. I feel like this video is very short. I said last time that I was going to find a funner way to do these videos, but I don't really know what to do. Eventually I'll get something fun. So, because I've seen people do giveaways where they make like this little on the computer, it's like a little pie chart type thing, and then it'll spin and it'll land on the winner. So I think that's a pretty cool way to do things. So anyway, yes, Chasing Retro. And I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, please just go ahead and send me an email, and I'm gonna put it down below in the description box, and I'm probably gonna run it across the screen too real quick. And yeah, and I just want to show you guys also my all my journals I have, just so kind of show you guys if you're interested. I'm gonna just run a quick thing past my bookshelf just to show you guys, because it's fun. Okay guys, so this is my little shelf full of my journals. These are all the journals that I've made. I have 2 more up there. And this one, the birds, I'm making for my daughter right now. She requested that one, which I think is so pretty. I had to get this bookshelf because I have so many things. Oh, I have those 2 journals, but those are the ones that I showed off in another video, which I can link below. Those were some of the video, or my feet. Those are some of the first journals I ever made, which is pretty cool. And then I got like my lace and everything. But yeah, if you can see, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 journals here, and then these journals are just kind of journal add-ons, so they're not really like the junk journals. But yeah, that's what I have. So that's why I want to do more of a giveaway. Okay, I sat back down so I'm not like making you all dizzy with that. But I hope you guys like seeing my little setup over there with my journals and everything. So like I was saying, yeah, I have like 9, which I guess isn't really that much when I think about it. But yeah, 9 journals that I really love and I've put a lot of time and effort into. And so yeah, later on down the line, I'd like to do some more giveaways just to show you guys my appreciation for taking the time to watch my videos and all of that. So this is a very short video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was a short video, so like short and sweet, I guess. So yeah, this was really fun, and I really hope you enjoy this journal. I put a lot of, hard work into it and everything, and I really hope you love it. Yes, so thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.